The wolf, a most respected hunter with distinct and beautiful features, is known to be the ancestor of one of today's greatest pets, the domesticated dog. Even though there are some similar looking to the wolf, most dogs differ in size, coat, and other physical features such as the snout. Now, why is this exactly? We will have to go into the genetic level to find out why this snout looks nothing like this snout. Let's pause for a second and refresh ourselves a little bit about DNA. DNA is considered to be the cookbook for every living organism, an instruction manual that dictates the entire makeup of every living being. DNA is made up of a sugar, a phosphate group, and 4 bases containing nitrogen. All of these elements will come together in a double helix structure and are found in every living cell in the entire body. Okay, let's get back to the fun dog stuff. The dog is probably the one living organism with a wide range of variety, with only a 0.2% difference in the entire genome. To be more specific, a single change in a base, like changing adenine to cytosine, will dictate the size of the dog. Now let's pause again and learn a little about tandem repeats. Tandem repeats are small sections of DNA that replicate over and over again within the strand. This mutation can end up changing the proteins within the cell, leading to changes of the cell function and ultimately changes in physical appearance. Don't worry, all living things have tandem repeats in their genes, but the dog has significantly more than most, which creates this slippery slope in their genome. So in regards to the snout, which let's face it is a part of the skull, the length of this tandem repeat, it dictates the upturn or the downturn of a dog's snout. Let's see how that works. So for the sake of arguing, we'll say that this represents the snout of a dog. Now the tandem repeat just simply copies this and pastes it over and over and over and over until essentially we end up with something like this. Oh, sorry, that's a dog in a UTEP jersey. We end up with something like this. So in conclusion, the wolf is indeed the domestic dog's ancestor, but through years and years of selective breeding, we have come to the adorable conclusion that we have today. With the help of basic genetic knowledge, we have answered the one question that has been bugging me since I was a small child, and that is why dog snouts are so different. I hope you found my video equally entertaining and educational.